LinkedIn is the world's biggest professional network online right now. And today I will share with you 5 simple strategies to build your personal brand and grow your business on LinkedIn. Coming up. Hey guys, I'm Kamar Ibrahim with Language Nation. We bring the most valuable insight and strategies to help linguists, both translators and interpreters, take their business to the next level and to become culture advisors, international business facilitators, and connectors. So today we're going to tackle LinkedIn, the world's biggest professional network with 546 million users in the world and 146 million users in US only. If you want to grow your personal brand, if you want to grow your influence, your business, you must tap into LinkedIn and you must use this amazing search engine and professional platform to build your brand and become an influencer in your niche. So let's go ahead and start with the 5 simple strategies to build your personal brand and your influence on LinkedIn. Number 1, make sure your profile is 100% complete. It's just crazy how many people out there, their profile is not 100% complete. And I'm asking myself, how can you brand yourself? How can you promote yourself if people cannot find enough information about yourself? So in this area, there is 4 things you should be doing throughout your entire profile. First, tell the world who you are. Second, tell the world who you help. Third, tell the world how do you help them. And fourth, tell your personal story in your entire profile. So make sure you got these 4 elements in your profile before you complete it 100%. Number 2, make sure you connect with everyone. Not just your friend in the other platform or your email list. The mindset on LinkedIn is totally different. When people click in on LinkedIn, they either looking for connection or they're looking for a job or they're looking to hire a professional. So that's why LinkedIn is one of the most amazing professional platform out there. So make sure you connect with everyone. First, look in your entire niche and connect with the expert in your entire niche. And second, look for the people outside your niche or outside your industry and connect with the expert, in that industry. And third, make sure you actually thank people, the people you connect with. Send them a little email or a little thank you note for connecting with you. So build that network and make sure you go deep and wide. Deep in your niche, you connect with all the expert on your niche, and wide, you go across niche, the expert across your niche or where your niche are related to. Keep this in mind. The more you connect in deep and wide across your niche, the better opportunity you will get outside and inside your network. Number 3, make sure you give endorsement and recommendation to people in your network. This is one of the amazing techniques you can do to get endorsement and recommendation. See, the best way to receive stuff is first to give them. Giving is the simplest art and the most beautiful art in the world. So make sure you give recommendation to people before they ask you. Go to their profile. The minute they connect with you, the minute you have a little bit experience about who they are, you can go to their profile and give them a little recommendation or endorsement. So start with your friends first, but that's not exclusive to your friends. All right. So start with your friends, your client, your customer, expert that have publication like books, YouTube channels. And once you read their book or you listen to their YouTube videos, make sure you head to their profile and give them recommendation. Because if you have one of the biggest influencers in their niche give you a recommendation in your profile, you're good to go. So you don't lose in this situation. You are always the winner. Whether they give back or not, giving actually prepare you for receiving. So make sure you make giving an art. You make giving, a habit. That's something you always do, especially when you are on LinkedIn, where you have millions of professionals who are looking for generous people and really amazing people in their industry. So make sure you make it a habit. Number 4, make sure you join targeted LinkedIn group in your niche. This is amazing. when you join groups on LinkedIn, you actually make yourself known to the expert. While you interacting with their content, when you're responding other people's questions, you make yourself known to the world. Or better yet, create your own targeted LinkedIn group, because this will help you to be seen as a leader. This will help you to seen as an expert in your field. Even though you will never declare that you are an expert, let the work do the talking for you. All right. So make sure you join or you create or do both. Join a lot of LinkedIn group in your target line and also create your own targeted LinkedIn group. And let the people share their content, talk, do the talking. And all you do is monitor and manage that group. You will be seen as a leader. You will be seen as an expert in your niche. And number 5, optimize your LinkedIn profile for search engine. See, millions of people head to Google or to other search engines looking for, professional like you to hire them so they can help them. So if your profile is not optimized for search engines, nobody will find you when they do those research on Google. So the key here is to put keywords throughout your entire profile, from the definition. From the definition of your profile, which is your headlines, all the way down to the experience and the people and the organization you work with. Make sure you put keywords, that people are looking for when they're looking for your job. And those keywords will be picked up by the search engines and will make your profile much more easier to find, on Google and other search engines. So, making your profile optimized for search engines is actually one of the greatest assets I personally have. The last 90 days, I appeared 1,020 times on search engine research. That's how powerful it is to actually optimize your profile. So if you did not do it yet, go to your profile and make sure it is optimized for search engine research. And finally, one resource you can use to actually help you build your profile and your influence on LinkedIn is LinkedIn Profile Optimization for Dummies. So make sure you get that book. You're not dummy at all, but that's the Dummies collection. So I will put the link down below the video. Make sure you check it out, and it will help you optimize your LinkedIn profile and show on the research on other search engine. So this will be it for today. If you love the video, make sure you share it with friends and you give me a thumb up. And also, if you did not subscribe yet, make sure you subscribe and you download the ultimate guide to help you become an international business facilitator, coach, advisor, and connector. Until next week, be legendary, my friend.